낱말은 새가 듣고 반말은 쥐가 듣는다.
Literal translation: the bird listens to daytime gossip, while the mouse listens to nighttime whispers. Similar English pictures have ear.
낱말, 새, 듣다. 반말, 쥐. 낱말은
Daytime words.
낮,
Day.
말,
Words.
은,
Subject marker.
새가
Means bird, and subject marker
듣고
is a connecting form of the verb
듣다.
in the sentence.
듣다.
Means to listen
고,
is a connecting ending in Korean. Used to link two or more actions or states.
밤,
Night
말,
words.
반말,
Nighttime words.
은,
Subject marker.
쥐가
Mouse.
가
Subject marker.
듣는다.
Means to listen.
는다.
Sentence final ending. Used when describing a certain event, fact, state, etc. The proverb is a reminder to be cautious when speaking because there might be someone or something listening, even if it appears that no one is around.
낱말은 새가 듣고 반말은 쥐가 듣는다.
The bird listens to daytime gossip, while the mouse listens to nighttime whispers.